Today I am going to give presentation on the introduction to the bead frame with the notation paper. So here is my notation paper. So I will use this paper to record the quantity indicated on the bead frame. So here is my notation paper. So have you noticed I also draw notation paper and I will use it, then you could see better. Alright, let's get started. Here are 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is the units, tens, hundreds and thousands. Have you noticed I have green beads here and green beads here. What makes them different? The place they are holding. These green beads are holding a units place and these green beads are holding thousands place. So let's get started. 1 unit. So I'm going to write down 1 on the notation paper. Okay. Oops. 1, 2. So I'm going to write down 2 on the vertical line here. 2, 3. 3 on the line. 4, 5 units. 5 units on the notation paper on the vertical line. 6. 7 on the vertical line, 8, 9. So I'm going to add 1 more. Now we have 10 units. 10 units makes what? 10 units make 1 10. So I'm going to go to the next category. I'm going to take 1 10. Bring it in the center to show that 10 units equal 110. Since I am taking 110, these units going back. So should I write 10 here? No. 10 has 2 numerals, 2 numbers. So we have a different category for tens. I'm going to write it down 110 on the vertical line. 2 tens. 2 tens on the line. 3 tens. 3 tens. 4 tens. 4 tens on the line. 5 tens. 5 tens, 6 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 7 tens on the vertical line, 8 tens, 9 tens. If I add 1 more 10, let me show you, and then it becomes 100. 10 tens make what? 100. So I'm going to bring them in the center. I'm going to go to the next category, that is 100. I'm going to take 100, bring it to the center to show 10 equals 100. So since I'm going to take 100, these 10 tens going back. So now I need different color. Okay. Should I write 10 here? No. 10 tens here? No. 10 tens makes 100. We have different category for 100. So I write on 100. 100, 100 on the vertical line on the notation paper. 200s. 200s. 300s, 300s, 400s, 4 hundreds on the vertical line on the notation paper. 5 hundreds, 5 hundreds, 6 hundreds, 6 hundreds, 7 hundreds, 7 hundreds, 8 hundreds, 8 hundreds, 9 hundreds, 9 hundreds. If I add, I'm going to add one more hundreds, then 10 hundreds make what? 1,000. So I'm going to bring them again in the center, going to go to the next category and bringing 1,000 in the center to show 10 hundreds equal what? 1,000. Since I'm taking 1,000, they are going back. So, 1,000 also have green color. So, should I write? Oops. Okay, never mind. Here, no, because 1,000 have different categories. So, I'm going to write down here. So, 2,000. 2,000 on the vertical line on the notation paper. 3,000. 3,000 on the vertical line. 4,000. 4,000. 5,000. 5,000. 6,000. 6,000. 7,000. 7,000. 8,000. 8,000. 9,000. 9,000. So if I add one more 1,000, then it becomes what? It will become 110,000. So we can only work on this bead frame up to 1,000 here. So, and if we want to go further, then we have large bead frame. I'm not gonna use this bead frame to the presentation today, maybe next time. So we can only work up to thousands, 10,000. So, alright my friends, thank you for watching. I'm going to show you over here also. Let me put that away. Okay, here, let's see. So whatever we did here, I want to make sure that you can see better. Here, we did here 1, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units, and 9 units. What comes after 9? 10. So we have a different category. Tens here. 110. We are not writing a 0. We are just showing the place value. So this 110 is on tens place. So it means it's 110. 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, and 9 tens. So we know that these are 2 tens because they are on tens place. Okay, now, okay. So 100, 100, 200s, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s, and 900s. So when we add one more hundreds, and it becomes 1,000. Okay, where is, okay, so here is 1,000. So we know this 1 is 1,000 because it's holding thousands place. 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, okay. 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, and 9,000. So that's all my friends. So we did, when we reach 9 units, when we add one more unit, then it becomes 10. Then we have a different category, tens category. When we add 9 tens, then it becomes 100. Then we have a 100 category, we put 1 here. When we have 10 hundreds, then it becomes 1000. Then we put 1000 on thousands category. That's all, my friends, for today, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.